Hey y'all, Wigs and Wanderlust back with a review on y'all. This is our first ever human hair wig on this channel. So for those of you that asked, I delivered. And the heat that I'm bringing today, such a bomb wig. So if you're interested, ooh, just keep watching. How y'all doing? Let me go and get the Yeti, take a long sip. Cause I know this is a video where folks gonna have something to say, okay? Okay, so let me go ahead and talk about the pink elephant in the room. And no, I don't mean my 194-pound body in this pink tank top. Let me explain to you what I mean. I know there's been a lot of controversy out about Hairvivi and this fake scalp method. So before I even jump into the review, let me just clarify something. Not explaining myself, but clarify something. I'm going to take you all the way back to 2008. Okay. In 2008, I was living in Orlando. I was going to law school, and I had a very, very good friend of mine. He still is. He does drag. Okay. And I always thought that it was neat that he would literally get like a piece of fabric and sew it into his wigs. And I would say, oh, that makes it look so natural. That was all the way back in 2008. Fast forward to now. I'm scrolling through Facebook. Hairvivi pops up and they're doing that method. I tagged my friend and I said, oh my God, like you've been doing this since 2008 and now other companies jumping on board. His response was, yes. I say all that to say, well, I'm so sorry about what happened to, you know, other people that, you know, might have started the method. Unfortunately, like I knew somebody that was doing it on 8, not to discredit, because, you know, all that other stuff. But I'm so sorry. Just know that for that. But know that my goal as a YouTuber is to bring you guys, my subscribers, good quality wigs. So that's all I'm here for, to see if this is a good quality wig. Because you guys requested a human hair wig. Because y'all know normally your girl rocks with synthetic, okay? So honestly, I saw that on Facebook and I was like, oh, that's neat. Literally, like 3 or 4 days later, in my inbox, Hairvivi hit me up and was like, we would love for you to do this. I said, yes, signed the contract. The stuff fell out the bottom. But I still cannot not bring y'all a wig. And plus, I think it's going to be a good wig, okay? So the wig that we're reviewing today, I'm going to be straight up. I'm excited because this is my first human hair wig that I've reviewed for you guys, okay? Now, this wig is a part of a couple of wigs that Hairvivi has had out. They say that with these new wigs, like either they're the fake scalp method, or they say they don't have to be bleached, it doesn't have to be plucked, you don't have to wear a stocking cap, and all of those things. So we're going to check that out and see. Now, it came in a cute little box, okay? And I've just opened this up for the first time, literally on camera with you guys. They said that the wig comes with multi-direction parting. It can be achieved. No wig cap needed. We're going to check that out because y'all know I'm bald anyway. No stocking cap needed. It says no plucking needed. No bleaching needed. Okay, so we're going to check that out. Then they also give us a little care card on how to take care of their wigs. Let's see what else they put in here. Okay. They also have, oh, they gave me a rat tail comb. Now, I'm going to be honest, because y'all know I'm transparent with you guys. They sent me that fake scalp method wig. And they sent me this wig, too, because it was both. We're going to do this one first, and then we'll look at the fake scalp method wig at a later date, probably in May. So, y'all, I'm going to be straight up with you. This wig, straight out of the pack, y'all, is bomb. Y'all, look at that. Okay, so I can clearly... I will never stop wearing my synthetic. Bloop. But y'all, I can clearly see a difference in this wig, y'all. Between what I'm used to be straight up, y'all. Look at the texture on that. Okay. Let's talk about this construction of this cap. And they include something with this wig that I think is going to be really neat. Okay, so first of all, the wig comes with lace all around. Okay. The wig also comes with an adjustable strap, okay? Even got their little name on it, Vivi. And y'all, the neat thing about this adjustable strap, it got the little hooks on it like a bra. So you can adjust it to how you want it to feel, okay? Now, she does not have combs in the front, and I appreciate that, but they did put the comb in the back. And to be honest, if I ever wear, like, combs in my synthetic wigs, I only use the one in the back. Y'all, look at that hairline up close. That is before I do put it on my head, okay? The interesting thing about this wig is they said they wanted me to do this one because it comes with something else. Not only does it look bomb straight out of the pack, it comes with clip-in bangs that you can put in to achieve a look. Now, I'm going to be honest. I wanted that synthetic wig Terry by Sensational, and I was about to order it even though I heard it was trash. But when Hairvivi reached out to me and said that they were going to give me this wig where I can include my own bangs, I was like, I ain't gonna get Terry, okay? It comes with 2 sets. It comes with a pack that are thick and wispy, and then these are thinner wispy bangs. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put it on and still talk to you with the lace on so you guys can see how it looks. And then we're gonna play around with her with those bangs. Let's see how she looks straight out of the pack. Y'all, and that's not me being, like I said, like mean to anyone, but y'all, look at their hairline. And this ain't part of that fake scalp method. This is just the one with the bangs. Y'all, look at that. Y'all, that's bomb. Y'all. Ooh. Y'all. I don't even know how to feel with this. And I don't have on a stocking cap. And y'all know that I'm bald up under here. Look at that. Y'all, look. Y'all, that is bomb, okay? Let me show you again. Look, I can part it anywhere. I don't have to plug nothing, y'all. I don't have to bleach nothing. This is bomb. Okay, I think that this is a bomb wig. What I'm going to do is cut the lace off, play around with her a little bit. Y'all know I'm not a baby hair type of person. I'm pretty sure there are 1,000 people on here you can see with the baby hairs. Baby hairs just don't look natural to me, especially when you got a hairline like that. So I'm not going to do baby hairs, but we are going to clip in some bangs and see what looks that give us. We might do a high pony. We'll play around. I'll come right back. right, y'all. So I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig. Y'all know I wouldn't lie to you. If it was bad, I would tell y'all. Y'all, this wig is freaking bomb. No tangling, no shedding. I love these little bangs. The set that I have on are the thick ones. And to be honest with you, I probably go with my flat iron to make them straight across. Here are the thinner or the wispy ones. Let me show you how that's constructed up close. If you couldn't catch it in video. They come with combs on both sides. And you just position like where you want it to be. And then you just clip it in. Y'all, that's easy. The reason why this is bomb is because these can be used not only with this wig, but other wigs that you might have. Y'all, do I recommend that you go purchase this wig? And I'm 100, y'all know I ain't gonna lie to you. 100% truthful, yes. If you got the coins to go and get this wig, go get this wig, sis. Like, it is awesome, awesome, awesome. They have provided me with a discount code I'll put in the description box if you're interested in purchasing this wig. But y'all, this one is bomb. Like I told you guys, I have been wanting Terry by Sensational for a while, but I kept getting mixed reviews. And y'all know that I'm not like the best person when it comes to these wigs. If I can do this with this wig, it was so easy, y'all. Anybody can do it, okay? All I did was pull some up. Y'all, look, you can even pull it up like that. You could probably do it in a high bun as well, y'all. This wig, definitely recommend it. Hairvivi, thank you so much for sending me this wig to share with my subscribers. It is bomb.com. And y'all, I'm not just saying that, okay? I know it's, like I said, a lot of controversy going on around it, but at the end of the day, it's a great wig. And like I said, somebody else was talking about that method. I know personally in 2008, I almost had him come on the video and talk about it, but no. Okay, so y'all, it's a bomb wig. I definitely recommend that you go and get this unit. Like I said, look in the description box for that discount code. So for those of you that kept telling me, Jay, I want you to get a human hair wig. Y'all, it don't get any better than this. I got another one coming too. Not only this one by Hairvivi, but another company. Okay? But y'all, this one is perfect. Thank you so much, Hairvivi, for supporting my channel. Like I always say, maybe you're not even the one that want to get the wig. Maybe it's your Auntie Joyce, okay? And this would be cute for Auntie Joyce. Maybe it's your cousin Joe. He want to live his best life. Let him live his best life. Let him do this little half-up thing, okay? The bangs right there cover the frown lines he got on his forehead. Until next time, which will be very, very soon. Bye, guys.